Don't break a bird's wings and then tell it to fly. Don't break your heart and then tell it to love. Don't break your soul and then tell it to be happy. Don't see the worst in a person and expect them to see the best in you. Don't play with fire and expect to be safe. Life is about giving and taking. You cannot expect to give bad and receive good. You cannot expect to give hate and receive love. So if you are willing to see positive change in your life, you must be willing to be that change itself. LTWA.